everybody. I'm Missy, and that's...
You want me to say my name?
Yeah. Duh.
I'm Haley.
Haley is my 22-year-old granddaughter, and I brought Haley on a camping trip. So we're camping this week and having a good time. And guess what today is?
Grammy's birthday!
My birthday! It's my birthday. Oh, Jake's jumping at flies outside. Aww. That was so cute. I can see him out the window. Let me show everybody. Get him on there. Can y'all see him? He's creeping out there. Oh, he's out of sight now, I believe. All right, let's put this down. Okay, so...
You might want to turn it a little.
What, to you?
So it's straight on both of us instead of all the way on you.
What, you want to be in it?
I want us to both be in it.
I'm kidding. You know I'm kidding.
All right.
Okay, so it's my birthday. I'm 64 today. I'm so excited. She got me a present.
I did.
What'd you get me?
For you to open and find out.
Okay.
Got tissue paper out.
Look at all this expensive paper. You made it so pretty.
There's even the nice Hallmark gift paper.
Oh, that's good. That's good paper, Hallmark. Look at... Oh, isn't that so cute? She made me a Care Bear. Did you make it?
I did not make that one. Jaden's mom made that one.
That is so...
Yeah, and
look, it's got a little hair up
there.
I
bought it off of her because I thought you'd love this type of bear.
I would. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm going to show y'all the full thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So I do vape marijuana at night. It's for my chronic pain. It helps take my mind off of it. It doesn't relieve the pain, but my mind doesn't stay on the pain 24/7. So I do that at night, and that's why she put that on there.
I do it because I'm cool like that.
I'm going to just cut that right out.
Why?
Because you're not cool.
Yes, I am.
I love it. He's so cute. Because Haley, since the first 8 years of her life, I babysat her full time, all the time. I loved it. She was only grandchild for 5 years. So she's my oldest grandchild. And she always loved Care Bears, and I would buy her Care Bears every time I see a cute one. And she loves strawberry shortcake too. So... Thank you, darling. That's so special.
This is the one I need to fix because that's the only size they had in those, but I got us matching ones.
Oh, see? We got matching strawberry shortcake jammies.
I have some pajama pants too. I got them the other day, so I got a matching ones for us.
Oh, that's so
But
cool.
I will have to take them in, so they're a little bit.
It's okay. I can take them in. You don't have to. I can take them in.
Okay.
This is so cool. We're gonna have matching jammies.
I know. Isn't that the cutest?
It is. I'll wear those tonight for my birthday too.
Okay. Then I'll wear them. I'll wear them with you.
Okay. Okay. Well, you gotta have to wear your own.
Well, oh no, I was expecting to wear yours, Grammy. I was expecting to wear yours.
You said I'll wear them with you.
Grammy.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty.
It's a donut.
It is.
And then those are little happy origami stars. But you can those specific ones, you can unfold, and I wrote little messages to make your day when you're having a bad day.
Oh,
yeah.
That is so neat. So I got a donut mug, and she made these origami stars. Let me take one out, and that'll be my message for today, and then I can show everybody.
Okay.
I've never seen, and she brought origami paper to teach me how to make origami stars, and we're going to do a video on that. So maybe you guys might enjoy learning to do that too and buy some paper. This is so cute. Okay, so here it is. You see that, guys? The little tiny stars, origami stars. Now, how do I open it? What's the secret?
I just need to see where it's at really quick. Hold on.
I love you.
Where am I? I love you too, Grammy.
Don't let your boobies fall out.
They won't. So you can squish the star. Find the little piece of paper that comes out of the star. Which in this case it looks like this side comes out.
Oh yeah.
So you find which end comes out, and then you basically start unfolding.
One's there, and then you just start unfolding. Well, let's see what Haley's message is to me today. It's got a moon, a bunch of stars,
and then.
Stars.
And then just to unfold the rest, all you gotta do is pull this piece of paper, or push it back through this end.
Yeah, and then pull that out.
Yeah, so pull this out like this.
I got nails here.
You got it.
I can. Oh, you got it. You got it.
And then
you read the message.
It's like you're toasting.
These are emotional support stars. Aww.
Yeah.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
And you did all these stars for me.
Yeah. I also did some without messages, and they're in the bag mixed in. I also used star paper to make crinkle paper to put in the bottom of the bag, too.
Oh, show me the crinkle paper. It's pretty. You did a good job. Look at all that. You made that?
Yes.
You did good. How'd you get it so... Is that from folding?
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat. I didn't know if you had a crimper.
All you gotta do is fold back and forth and back and forth, and then press a couple seconds, and then let go, and then it'll open up.
That is so cool. Look at that. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
We got more? Oh, my gosh. Okay, now my weakness, y'all, I love caramel and chocolate. She knows I love Twix also. Oh, look at... Oh, that's so cute. A sugar cookie. Halloween sugar... Oh, wait. There's something behind it.
It's two. That one broke down the middle, though, I think.
I don't care.
But yeah, I got us both. I got us both those cookies, too, so we have matching cookies.
Oh, we got matching cookies to eat. Yeah, do I not have some of the most thoughtful grandchildren? And Haley, that is so cool.
I know, I'm just the best. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh, my goodness. I even have suckers. So when I'm getting stressed, I can suck on a sucker. Don't be that way. Oh, no, you didn't.
I did.
Y'all aren't going to believe what she made me. Look at this. It says Hot Grammy.
Yeah.
Wow, that is so thoughtful. That makes me... Oh, it's so pretty. You really made that?
Yes, I make all my bracelets.
I love it.
I make all my bracelets.
I remember the first bracelet you made me was the one that had my grandkids on it. Okay, I'm going to show them the front of it on me, okay, so they can see it really does say Hot Grammy. Look at that. Okay, so there's the Grammy. I love that. Thank you, baby. All this neat stuff is so sentimental to me.
There's more.
Okay. Oh, that's a card. Well, I didn't get a card.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. If we just had one cookie, I'd give you the big half. Aww. That's how much I love you. I'm so lucky to have you. Happy birthday. I love you, Haley. Isn't that just so precious? Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome. I
love you too. She knows I love Starburst. Absolutely Starburst. And she bought some freeze-dried.
These are all pink too.
All pink. One of my favorite colors.
Because she loves pink.
Pink. Pink is like always my whole life been my favorite. Then peach and salmon.
Yeah.
But let me tell you something. She knows I love Starburst. And she just got some freeze-dried Starburst and shared them with me. I have never had. That is like the best tasting
stuff.
That's the best tasting candy.
Oh,
guys, I loved it.
Want to know something funny? She almost said a bad word, but I can't say bad words.
I told her she can't cuss on here.
Fair enough. I'll let it
slide. This is cute. A love sticker. You thought of everything. Look. What is this?
It's a perfume bottle.
Oh my gosh, look at that, y'all. That is absolutely... I absolutely have some already that can go in here.
Okay, cool.
Oh, it's my Dolce & Gabbana light blue. Ooh. That is like my favorite in the whole world perfume. I love it so much.
That probably smells so good.
That is so pretty. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aww. That's going to go up here on my shelf thing. Oh, there's more. My goodness, Haley, what have you done?
Oh,
neat. So sweet dreams.
If you need a little tea, you can get some nice little teas.
To go in my coffee mug, my donut coffee mug. Oh, I like chamomile too. Oh, and all these cute stickers.
The Care Bears.
They are, see, this is Care Bears for anybody who doesn't know. Surely most of us would know Care Bears.
I love Care Bears and Strawberry Shortcake, as she said.
Yes, you do.
Don't forget my favorite Care Bear sticker, the Lucky Bear.
That's
my personal favorite is the Lucky Bear.
It's always been her favorite, the Lucky Bear, because she likes to wink. Oh, another perfume box. Oh, Haley, look at that, y'all. Thank you, Princess.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love it. It looks so exquisite with its diamonds on it.
The rest is just suckers mixed in with also, there's a bunch of little tiny, these ones don't have messages, but there's also more paper stars in there I made for you.
She made more paper stars. Look at that.
Yeah.
I mean, you're like awesome. You rock, girl. I'm going to put these little stickers right over here in my coffee mug so they don't get messed up. Thank you. This is the best.
You're welcome.
I'm not sitting alone on the road somewhere on my birthday this year. I did last year.
Well, I was like begging too because I really wanted to get you one of these bears, and I was begging Jaden's mom. I was like,
Jaden's her boyfriend.
Yeah, I was like, do you think you could please, like, if you have one on hand, could I buy it from you? She was like, yeah, sure. So yeah, I was like, that's great. She's gonna like that.
She's good too. I love the little hair on top. That's so cute. Oh, and then the eyelid, it even has eyelids. Look at that.
If you look at the little eyes, there's also red under the eyes, just like there should be for this type of bear.
That, yeah. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. And he's got a heart for a nose. Isn't that sweet? That's going to stay on my bed. Perfect. Always. I might even cuddle up and sleep with it.
if you're not too involved with Jake.
No, this is the only man in my life besides Jake.
His eyelid. Sometimes the eyelids droop. All you gotta do is just press it up.
Oh, that's okay. It means he's winking at me.
He was. He was winking at you because you're a hot granny.
Oh, you know, it's only grandkids that say that kind of stuff, that give you those great compliments and all.
Grammy, you're pretty as heck. I don't know why you're being crazy right now.
I'm not being crazy. Oh, Jake's going to want to play in this. You wait. I'm going to throw it down the floor.
Oh, did I accidentally give Jake a present too?
Yep, he's got a paper. He's gonna play with that tissue paper. I think probably. He will, and I'm gonna show them if he does. Okay. I'm gonna have him. Here's the thing with Jake, you guys. I have like, I don't know, 5, 6 videos of Jake being funny and talking to me and stuff. He just decided after the last video I did, he's not gonna have anything to do with my phone. I'm not kidding. The minute I pick it up, he turns the other way, just so I can't record him. So if you guys have some ideas on how I can get Jake on camera again, and to be himself again on camera like his other videos, please comment down there because I want to know. I need help with that. Right, Haley?
You need a lot of help with that.
I know, I do. I really do. Anyhow, so tell them what else you told me you were going to do for me on my birthday today.
So I also have some other stuff planned. There's still one more thing I have as a surprise.
Ooh.
But also we're gonna do cake later. I got her favorite carrot cake, and I'm gonna put candles on it and sing happy birthday, and we're gonna celebrate after dinner. Her birthday.
Y'all want to see that?
Yeah, well, they better want to see it because I think we're pretty cool.
We are cool, aren't we? Yeah. Thank you. So again, we're going to pause for now. Thank you. And she's going to get busy with the cake because the icing kind of slid to one side when I took a big curve, it seems like. So she's going to kind of straighten it up. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to sit here and rest my back because my back's killing me right now. I'm really fired up on the back, so I'm going to sit here and rest. Okay.
That's fair.
Hey, thanks, guys. We'll see you back on the other side.
See you in a bit.
Bye. So we're having a discussion about YouTube. Tell them what you just told me.
My thing is, when I was a little kid, I always wanted to be a YouTuber. Like, I grew up in that era, of course. But I don't like the editing portion. But her favorite part of YouTube is the editing portion. I just like to be on camera.
No.
Can you tell?
Well, here's the thing. If you've seen any of my videos, there's 1 or 2 that I've done about, especially the first one, telling why I'm doing a YouTube channel. And I started out absolutely 100%. I'm doing this for my grandkids and my kids so that one day when I'm gone, that if they're thinking of me or they're feeling sad, soon after I'm gone, that they can get on and watch the videos. Maybe they can watch them together with the rest of the family and stuff, just maybe during my memorial or what. Look at me, I'm already planning it all.
Well, listen, not to plan ahead, but it'll be great to hear your voice after you're gone.
Yeah, of course. So that was my whole purpose and intent of doing a video or doing a channel. And then after I started doing it, I started having a blast. And I'm not one behind the camera. I was a professional photographer for over 30 years, okay? So I've always been behind the camera. And that was the one stressor I had about doing a channel was I'm going to have to be in front of the camera. And I'm not real super confident and all, and I didn't know how that would go. But I love the heck out of it. It's great. But my favorite part is the editing because of my photography years, and I'm a very creative person. So, yeah. So do you think she should have her own channel? Tell us in the comments if Haley should have her own channel. So maybe we'll do a survey.
Tell her no, so I don't have to edit videos. Please.
All right.
Yeah, sure. Drop in the comments. Drop in the comments if I should get a channel.
All right. We'll see you guys after a while. Bye-bye. We are back because I just absolutely love my birthday bear. That's what I'm going to call my birthday bear. But I wanted to give a message and a shout out to Sabrina. Sabrina is Haley's boyfriend, Jaden's mom, and she made this. And Haley asked her if she could make one for her to give to me because we do have a special thing between us about Care Bears. So, Sabrina, you have just brightened my day and my birthday. Thank you so much for making this. And I'm going to tell you, your crochet is absolutely stunning. No, I don't know how to crochet, so that makes me an expert to tell you that. But trust me, it's beautiful. And I want to just thank you for taking the time to make it for Haley to give to me. It's made my birthday perfect. So, all right, see you guys later.